The beauty of hiking Mount Longonot, or any mountain or any forest, is all about pictures. The pictures are the one that makes us remember that we did some activities, some things. So yeah, guys, as the moment I was taking these pictures, I was a bit tired, but for me it was a simple task. Maybe next time we're gonna look for another bigger thing. So Minas, we're gonna enjoy my pictures. Let's go through the journey. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Milia Safi here in Kenya. So I was actually heading to town to take the bus to go to Mount Longonot. If you're gonna go to Mount Longonot, there's actually two ways. As you can see here, I was actually in Naivasha town. So there's two ways. You can go to Naivasha, and another way you can use Mahimahi. When you use Mahimahi road, the one from Nairobi, when you're using Mahimahi road, is gonna just take you after Mahimahi, and the next stage is gonna be Mount Longonot, whereby from Mount Longonot you're gonna take another motorbike. Is gonna now take you to the main gate of Mount Longonot, but you're gonna take Naivasha road. Is gonna take you, it's like you are passing Mount Longonot on behind. So whereby you have to reach in Naivasha town, you take another car, it will be like 20 minutes drive to Mount Longonot, and from that stage you're gonna just take the motorbike, whereby just gonna take you through until the entrance. So guys, yeah, and I'm actually here now. People, they are finishing their hikes, and I was now starting my hike, and the way they were singing, it seems they were so happy to go around the crater and sort of things. And I was here now recording, starting my journey now. And believe me guys, inside there it's so amazing and nice. And the moment you reach on the crater, now you're gonna go round. Make sure you take the right hand, don't take the left turn. When you take the right turn, it's more easier for you and it's more easier to go around. But if you take the left turn, my dear, it's gonna be worse for you. And yeah, I was actually here relaxing as we're gonna continue with the journey. And guys, I did it, and I was actually on the peak point, whereby there's a sign to make sure you are actually on the crater. And when you reach on that crater pin, it means that you're actually on the middle of the going round of the crater, something like that. So guys, I was actually there, and a lot of people I saw, they didn't wear it well. You can see someone is wearing short, someone is wearing short sleeve, and I was like, these ladies, you're gonna burn your skin. Make sure whenever you're gonna come here, put on the long sleeve, unless you're just okay with the sun. Make sure you always put sunscreen on your body. And yeah, we did it actually 15 kilometers, guys, and it was perfect ever for me, and more easy.
We are down now. We are heading to the entrance, and if I might say, it wasn't that hard, it wasn't that easy. But as for me, since I'm actually an active person, so I'm gonna say it was easy for me. Probably maybe next time I'm gonna come again, and I'm gonna go around on the crater maybe 2 times. So yeah, I'm down. We're heading to the entry side, and believe me, it was amazing and it was nice, very nice adventure. And I guess it's actually like we are practicing for more. Maybe next round or next time is gonna be Mount Kenya, or maybe Kilimanjaro. They always say you have to start small so that you can go for the bigger one. So stay tuned, and probably it's gonna be a goodbye. Maybe I'm gonna give you guys the goodbye when we're on the entry. So yeah. So guys, I did it, and I might say it wasn't hard, it wasn't easy, but as for me, it was easy. And probably maybe next time I'm gonna repeat it again and do it maybe more, maybe the highest one. So yeah, we are actually on the entrance, and probably maybe next time. And if you wanna come to Mount Longonot, come and have fun, because if you come here, it's more fun. There's hills, there is, I don't know, holes, there is all dust and everything. So ciao, adios, thank you.
So guys, here is actually the starting point, whereby people will stand here and they start their journey. If you want to start recording, if you want to start timing what time you're gonna take to go through those those mountain, this is actually the starting point whereby you have to start your phone, maybe the kilometer, anything that your fitness wanna you to record. So yeah, so at last here is actually the entrance, and actually here in Mount Longonot, if you are a Kenyan, you have to pay 350 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, but if you are a foreigner, you have to pay $26. So whereby you can equivalent it into Kenyan shilling. But you have to do what? You have to pay through eCitizen, whereby you have to log in into your eCitizen account, and you're gonna pay it through eCitizen, whereby it's gonna deduct your money to MPESA, or if you don't have money to MPESA, it's gonna deduct the money into your bank account. But they doesn't have option of Lipa na MPESA, like pay with MPESA, like pay bill. No, they don't take any cash. As you can see here, guys, there's actually walking stick whereby you can buy them. As you can see, the charges on the wall there below. And yeah, so in here, whenever you finish with your stick, you're gonna bring them back. So it means that you're gonna hire them, unless if you want to buy it and go with it so that you can be using each time you come here. At this window is whereby you can come and do your payment things here. As you go inside, they do have a small canteen whereby you can have some water, energy drink, soda, anything you want. And here is actually for the staffs only place to be. So yeah, if you want to have some drinks, you can find them here, or you can go outside.
And I don't know, 3-hour hike, I don't know, this is what's called, as you can read there. And I think here is where people, they park their cars. You can come and see it, I don't know, like that. Okay, so that I can go to the loo. So this is actually the loos. Here's Gentleland, and then is the ladies one. And yeah, I don't know, this is the place. You can buy anything you want to buy here. But first, let's go to the loo and see how the loo looks like out Mount. And this is actually, people just misusing the toilets. I can't even pee. Walai. There you go. So guys, let's have a tour a little bit inside here. I think they have a restaurant. They have a restaurant here at the Mount Longonot. You can come and buy food. I don't know. Let's check this. So here is actually Mount Longonot. They have these nice of things. So yeah, they have a restaurant here too, whereby you can come and buy food. They have a nice restaurant here. You can come if you are hungry after hiking. You can come and, you know, I don't know, buy food, something like that. There's a hotel here, and yeah, and we do have another one the other side too. I'm gonna show you. I think this is the side too, whereby you can come after hiking, come and have fun. They even have a club. They have whereby you can, they have nyama choma, you know, they have ladies rooms, they have food, they have butcher, they have a bar too. If you are a drunkard, then you can have one. And it's big. Guys, you can come and have fun. Don't say Millie didn't bring you all this and enjoy Mount Longonot. Apart from hiking, they have a nice place to relax and eat and do sort of things. So yeah. And they do, I think that's all for now. So yeah, they have this one, and I saw they have a pool here. They have where you can play pool too. And yeah, So guys, that's it. And in case you come and you don't have anything to wear, like you don't have any gym wear, probably there is a place here whereby you can buy. You can come whenever you are. If you are having a jeans, if you didn't even plan to come, they have a place where you can buy your gym wear and wear them. Even the shoes too. So yeah, I don't know if Uncle, you unauzanga mbona haya?
Nauza.
Oh. So and yeah, this is the beauty of Mount Longonot. People, I think they are just relaxing. Soon they're gonna start their journey back to their way they live. And they have the place. Yeah. And guys, I am here. I've gave you guys a tour inside here, and probably we're gonna come again next time. I'm not even tired. I feel like I was not even doing anything. So bye guys, adios.